This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm delighted to be here with you. In this video, we're going to work together on some chord progressions that use Sus4 chords. So in the last couple videos, I went over all the different Sus4 chords that we play in first position. So we had A Sus4, B Sus4, C Sus4, C D Sus4, E Sus4, F Sus4, and G Sus4. So we learned all of those chords in the last couple videos. Now we're going to do some progressions where we get to jam using those chords intermixed with other open position chords, some of our basic chords. So it's going to be super fun. When I say jam, of course, I mean with the band. So it's going to be you, me, and the band. We've got the bass and drums accompanying us as we work on these chords, and it's going to be fun. This video accompanies Lesson 19 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 Method book. In the book, we're going to be playing songs 5, 7, 9, and 12, which are found on pages 130, 131, and 132. If you need help with remembering how to play these different suspension chords that we've gone over in the last couple videos, then you can find all those reference materials there on page 129. You can also check out the previous two videos if you need help and haven't seen those before. So each one of these songs is going to happen at two different tempos. First a slower tempo and a faster tempo. You can just work the strumming hand, just work the fingering hand. If you're having trouble with a particular chord change where one chord goes to another, then you can go back and forth between those chords. For example, if we were to go back and forth between D and D Sus4, if you're having trouble making that, then you just go back and forth, practice those ones. And then if it goes on to A Sus4 after that, then you can go ahead and just finger A Sus4, so D Sus4 to A Sus4, however you're going to finger it, that kind of thing, you can just go back and forth. Let's look at the strumming patterns before we play these, and then we'll be off to the races, ready to jam. So with number 5 on page 130, we've got down, up, mute, down, up, down, up, down, up, slap down, up, down, up. That one's pretty familiar to us. We use that one there. With number 7 over on page 131, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. You can add a little accent to the third down by squeezing the pick just a little bit harder when you get to that one. Down, down, accent, accent. It's kind of a fun thing to do, but that's with number 7. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. With number 9, we've got down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. All of these should be familiar. When we flip over then to page 132 and we do number 12, we've got down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Alright, so that's that. Now, each one of these is we're going to go in that order. They'll each happen at two different tempos, that slower tempo and then that faster tempo. It's going to be great. Let's go ahead and play these. Okay, awesome. In the next video, we're going to take a look at the bar chord shapes, or the movable chord shapes for these Sus4 chords. Work on those a little bit, so that's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.